Here's a complete summary of the key lessons and important points from The Art of Risk, what we can learn from the world's leading risk takers by Dr. Richard Harris, along with real-life examples for each idea. About the book, written by Dr. Richard Harry Harris, the cave diving anaesthetist who played a key role in the 2018 Thai cave rescue. This book explores what makes people take risks wisely and how ordinary people can develop similar mental strength, decision-making, and calm under pressure. Core theme: risk takers aren't reckless. They are prepared, trained, calm, and focused. Important points and lessons with examples. 1. Good risk takers are not reckless. They are calculated. Lesson: real risk takers like cave divers, firefighters, and rescue workers prepare for risks. They don't jump in blindly. In the Thai cave rescue, Harris and his team rehearsed scenarios, double-checked equipment, and made detailed plans before each dive. 2. Stay calm under pressure. Lesson: panic kills. Successful risk takers are trained to remain calm in chaos. Example: if a diver loses vision underwater, they don't panic, they stop, breathe slowly, and follow safety protocols. 3. Train hard, risk smart. Lesson: training builds automatic response, which reduces fear and increases survival chances. Example: just like pilots use simulators for emergencies, you should practice your skill under pressure, like rehearsing public speaking in front of friends before a real stage. Now 4. Assess risk objectively, not in lesson. Fear distorts judgment. Use logic, not emotion, to evaluate situations. Example: before trying something new, starting a business, quitting a job, list the worst case, best case, and most likely scenarios to make a rational decision. 5. Confidence comes from competence. Lesson: true confidence is based on skill and preparation, not ego. Example: a surgeon feels confident not because of arrogance, but because of thousands of hours of training. 6. Teamwork is key in high-stakes situations. Lesson: trust, communication, and shared experience matter more than heroics. In the Thai cave rescue, divers operated as a unit with clear roles and backup plans, not solo risk-taking. 7. Know when to say no. Lesson: the best risk takers know when a risk is too high or the timing is wrong. Example: a mountain climber may turn back 100 meters from the summit if the weather turns bad. That's wisdom, not weakness. 8. Risk is everywhere. You can't avoid it, but you can prepare. Life is full of small and large risks: relationships, careers, health. Learning to handle risk makes you more resilient and effective. Example: asking someone out, switching careers, or speaking up in a meeting all involve risk, but with mental preparation, the fear becomes manageable. 9. Mental models help make better decisions. Lesson: risk takers use mental checklists and frameworks in real time. Example: in medicine, doctors follow ABCDE in emergencies: airway, breathing, circulation, disability, exposure. You can build checklists for any field, business, sports, etc. At 10. Character is revealed in risk. Lesson: when things go wrong, your real mindset, training, and values show. Example: during the rescue, Harris was asked to make ethical life and death decisions. He stayed true to science and compassion despite fear and pressure. We are all risk takers. The question is, are we good at it? Preparedness and calmness are the antidotes to fear. Final insight: risk is not something to avoid, but something to learn to handle wisely. With the right mindset, training, and self-awareness, you can take bold actions without being reckless.
And now we have come to the end of this book. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next one.